So guys, Mpumalanga is known for its beautiful waterfalls, and in this video we're gonna be basically chasing waterfalls in Mpumalanga, and we're gonna be going to Lisbon Falls, Mac Falls, we're gonna go to Lawn Creek Falls, Tuka Trails and Forest Falls and many others. So we're currently at Lisbon, and this is just the view from the top. Look at that. Isn't it just so beautiful? And I'm here with you. Say hi.
Hello!
So how long is the hike?
It's a 4-kilometer hike, 2 kilometers going down and then 2 kilometers
Coming up.
Getting ready.
Are you ready for the hike?
No.
So the fee to get into the hike is 16 Rand. However, of recent they have closed the hiking trail because someone had died here in January because I think they were swimming and they drowned. So I think because of that incident they are looking for a better solution on how to move forward. So you can view from up, but you could also come down at your own risk. So basically we're gonna take the risk, but we're gonna be cautious and we're not gonna go to the water. We just want to take pictures just next to the fall, guys. But you can enjoy the view from up here. Look,
Please be careful.
welcome to the Lisbon Falls. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. If I'm being quite honest, I'm not a waterfall person, but dang. So the vision is we want to take a picture there. We want to stand at that particular rock and get the whole picture from there. So we had to remove our shoes so that we can walk. I do not advise, it's slippery, I do not advise, do it at your own risk, kids. So basically, we need to cross that. Welcome to Lisbon Falls. Look at this beauty. Actually, it's quite easy going down, but coming up. Come to Mpumalanga, guys. So we just finished our hike, and guys, we're really getting up to Lisbon Falls. We ended up spending more than we had initially planned. I think we spent almost 3 hours, and it's just beautiful. The pictures are sick. Please follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna put both of our Instagram, so you can see also my photography skills. So at the entrance where you park your car here, there's also this beautiful market where you can buy different pieces, different things. So you could buy souvenirs, and yeah. So we're going to chase our second waterfall, and now we're going to Tuka Falls.
Hello.
Hey.
Minjani.
Hey.
Eh.
Today's day 2 of chasing waterfalls. The first day we managed to only do Lisbon Falls, and we dragged it. We stayed there longer than we should have. Now we're doing Tuka Trails. We wanted to do it yesterday, but time-wise we're getting late. I mean, we're still it's around 5 now, but there's still some brightness. And the hike is 1 kilometer up, 1 kilometer up, 1 kilometer down. To run per person, the hike is 1 kilometer. It's in the Blind River Canyon Resort. And they also do have accommodation here, so you can stay here. I'm sure if you stay here you don't have to pay for that. But yeah, let's see what Tuka Trails, Tuka Falls have to offer. But guys, the other good things Mpumalanga just has views, guys. Look. Look at those views. is Jovenchike, and I'm with,
Wandering with Pele.
and we are at Tufa Falls, or Tufa Trails. Yay!
Do you want me to say it?
Yeah, we can say it together.
Tufa
Trails. You can literally hear the waterfalls like from the start of the trail. Crazy. Yeah, it's quite rocky. What does that mean? The red footprint. Oh, like where to step. Yeah. Guys, welcome to Hiking Etiquette with Piero.
I'm even struggling. Your pants.
Okay, what must we know for hiking, for first time hikers? Is hikers even a thing? Like,
What? For first time hikers,
Yeah.
have proper shoes, like shoes that can grip, like not running techies or any slippery shoes.
yeah.
And always have water. That's one thing. And yeah, like take it slow if you feel tired. Like it shouldn't be a race. And take it all in, enjoy nature, and yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go. You heard from Piero. You can say your surname. Pearl. Okay. So this is the water stream from the falls. I want you to believe the falls on the other side, right? Yeah, but there's also like a stream coming down here. The water looks clear. I hope it's also clear on the other side because I've been
It is.
wanting to swim in a waterfall. Let's go to this final bed. Wee ho 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 ho. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. I'm highly contemplating of going in. Oh my god.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna try maybe here. Guys, it's literally pitch black. We are using our phones to like navigate our way around.
Imagine if our phones were
Off. Yeah, that could have been so scary and stupid, but and what else did I want to say? I think it's better even like coming to this hike late during summer, because during summer the days are longer, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So now they like, even if now, because I think until 7, I mean in Pretoria until 7, it's during summer it's still like bright, not like bright, but like noon bright. So yeah. But we keep it moving. The next day was my last day and I had 3 waterfalls to chase, and the next was Forest Falls. You could either hike or drive here, but boy oh boy, we chose to drive, and boy oh boy. So we're trying to finesse our way to the Forest Falls by not hiking, but rather driving in, because you can. But I think we're just told to keep going straight, but I think we're lost. And yeah, beyond frustrated. But the views, I think that's one good thing about Mpumalanga. Like, it'll give you views. Like, for a fact, it's gonna give you views. A few moments later, guys, we found the waterfalls.
Yay!
Very happy. Our geography expert here
Yes!
managed to maneuver.
Directions.
Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Let me show you. Finally we made it to maneuver our way to the falls. Guys, look at that. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. And I'm gonna attempt to swim. Oh, it's beautiful. This is beautiful. What? This is beautiful. What do you mean? Whew. It's so cold. Oh, this is so beautiful. What? What? Access the falls. Woo. Begin to stress on just how beautiful the views of Mpumalanga are. Now we are chasing our third, okay, I don't know, I'm not gonna keep count, but I think it's our fourth waterfall, which is Mpumalanga Falls. You can view it from the bottom, as I mentioned earlier, but you can view it from up. So we just paid 16 Rand a person, and yeah, so it's just basically by the road on your way to Sabi, or from Graskop or to Graskop, yeah, Graskop. And then yeah, there's the market ladies there selling stuff. I've actually noticed this market thing is quite a trend. Every waterfall, any activity, there's a market next to it, which is good. So you get to support local while you're traveling. Yeah, I mean, get something.
I was actually trying to take from. Oh, you take from. You have to take from the back.
So we are finally at the viewing deck of the waterfall. For safety reasons, there's this thing. So, but I mean, you can pick that thing. Basically, that's the waterfall. That's Mpumalanga Falls. Because it's so nice that people can go down. But
And you can, but it's quite steep.
so here is the viewing deck. I mean, I'm gonna give it like it's my least favorite falls because I haven't got to experience them, like touch the water or something like that, or just even be close. But I think it's the easiest accessible one, right? Like on the road, like you don't have to like go. It's beautiful though. Oh, okay. I mean, we haven't got there. After Mpumalanga Falls, we drove into Sabi area as we were heading to Nelspruit, and we went to our last waterfall, which is Lone Creek Falls. And I must say, it's a few kilometers from the main road. It's not a very long distance, but the potholes, I repeat, the potholes, be mindful of the potholes. So we are now at the parking lot of Lone Creek Falls. It's 36 Rand per person, and the falls are literally just like here, like literally, see there, that's where the falls are. And yeah, which is good because Forest Falls took everything we had this day. Like we had to walk, drive for long, though we made it like easily, we saw them easily, but then we had to drive for long, and then we had to go look for our way out, so that was hectic. But this one's like, it's from the main road in Sabi, just like when you get into town, you get here, and yeah. Come to Lone Creek Falls. The sound. It's slippery. Oh my god. My mic went off, but I really enjoyed Long Creek Falls. Please let me know in the comment section below what was the highlight of the waterfalls, which waterfall did you really enjoy the most and you're looking forward to visit. And also please ask me any questions that you have about Mpumalanga to help you plan your trip better. I'll be doing a Q&A after this video, 2 days or 3 days after this video drops. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe. For me and Pearl, bye bye. Thank you.